I've got the savage bark of a V10 and then in front, the howl of a Ferrari V8. I like to think that heaven sounds a bit like this. Oh, that Ferrari's quick through there, but then this isn't slow